Second commercial, like a cowboy. When he's out on the range, he may be a $200 an hour job riding his horse because he needs to go when he's out on the range, he may have to stay at a hotel, and when he's driving his truck out on the road, that'd be a truck driver's job. So that'd be a $300 an hour job driving from one farm to the other, pulling a trailer with his horse in it. So that'd be a $300 an hour job. But when he's out wrangling the roads or wrangling the cows, that'd be $200 an hour. And if he's working all by himself with no boss, he get pure wages. If he's got nobody over him, if he don't work for anybody, he get the pure $300 or the pure $200 an hour. But if he works for somebody, it'd be 60-40. And like if his horse is in a stable, his horse may actually get a wage. His horse, or if he's got a couple, 3 horses for different wages, if he's got a double horse trailer and his horse has got to be in the stable, his horse, I don't know what a stable wages are. I don't know what the wages of horse wages be, but his horse has got to be in a livery stable while he's in a hotel room. Oh, if he's got to spend the night in a hotel room and he's got to put his horse in a livery stable, his horse would have to get a wage, so his horse could stay in a livery stable while he's doing whatever he's doing. His horse would have to get a wage for bread and water, whatever you want to call the livery fees for the horse, so the cowboy wouldn't have to come up with wages for his horse, and the cowboy would still get whatever he has to get to be out on the range.